Hi everyone, welcome back. I got this image from Adobe documentation and I thought I will just explain it. It's quite simple to explain using this image. So far we have learned the admin services, the delivery stacks, etc. Right? But in nutshell, step one would be author will create the content using documents or AEM authoring or the third party solutions available. Authoring is done. Consider authoring is done, and then a developer will create the content and then SCM utilities will deploy the content. Now that is also done. Now we have this admin services available, right? Admin services will either preview the pages, so this hlx.page URLs, right? First author will see if the content is looking good or not, or will activate the previewed content. The content is looking good, let's preview it. And this is preview service and this is edge delivery services, which are the live pages. Okay, and on top of that we have the customers web infrastructure, CDN, etc. I mean HTML5, etc. for end users to see the content every time. If the publish or the deployment is happening, it is purging the CDN cache. So it's quite a tiny architecture which is explaining everything. I thought I will just explain it. Yeah, thank you so much for watching.